Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We want to learn how to service a standalone smoke detectors. So here I have a standalone smoke detector. We are servicing it. So guys, just observe it. Inside the standalone, it look like this one. Look at it side, it has some dust already, so I have to clean it to service it, to remove the dust inside the sensor. The black one is the sensor which sends the smoke, and then it will trigger the alarm. So guys, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like, or if you have any question you can ask and we shall answer you. Look at it guys, remember to subscribe. Thank you.